No jokes, this DIY rinse for scalp and hair, it's going to stimulate insane hair growth on your hair, guys. It's going to condition your scalp, it's going to condition your hair, it's going to stimulate blood circulation, and your hair is going to grow like crazy. Perfect co-wash for semi-dirty hair. The ingredients: we are using fresh beetroot for this recipe, but you're also using fresh okra juice. So these beetroots are amazing for the hair and for the scalp as well. They're imbued with anti-inflammatory properties. They facilitate smooth functioning of the hair follicles. Of course, beetroot does remove dead skin cells from your scalp, so it's going to release itchiness and scalp irritation. Remember, scalp inflammation can result to serious poor health condition, guys. So you saw me boil this beetroot on the other video, and I'm going to leave it down in the cards and up in the down in the description box and up in the cards. So this is the okra juice. I boiled the beetroots and let them stay in a messenger for them to infuse longer for a couple hours. And after I strained, this is what I have, and I'm adding it to my okra juice. It's looking really good. It's giving tie-dye vibes, you know. So it does not mix completely, so you have to use a hand whisk to whisk it up, so like what I'm doing. So this combo in general, because it's amazing in general, because the okras restores damaged hair, conditions the hair, moisturizes dry hair. Of course, it helps with dandruff and scalp itchiness and irritation. It fights all those stuffs. Also, it's going to promote application time. So one thing about this DIY I made today, it serves so many purposes. Look, you can use this as a rinse. If you have a protective style, you can use to rinse your hair. Or if you're going in with you want to put in a protective style like what I'm doing today, I am rinsing my hair, then putting it in a protective style. Remember, okra has sleep, so it's going to add the definition, and it's going to help detangle, so you're going to manage your hair properly when doing this. So I'm going in with some medium-sized mini braids. So that's what's happening here.
It's me, Mario. Game over. Game over.
this is not only a rinse, it's also a core wash. It also serves as a leave-in conditioner, and even if you want to wear a plastic cup and deep condition, it's all working, no problem at all. Guys, let's see the definition. Guys, do you see the definition? This rinse is amazing. It's going to define your hair, it's going to leave your hair super soft, and it's also perfect if you want to do like braid out or twist out. You can use this and have amazing results. Just make sure you seal in the moisture with your butters and creams after this procedure, because this is going to serve as a leave-in condition. Okay, so if you're getting values, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and share this with your loved one, because do not keep these recipes for yourself. Rinse, 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 rinse. Use all your leftovers to rinse. Use a couple times as you can. Just make sure your hair is fully saturated, because the beetroot helps a lot with the scalp and the okra helps a lot with your hair. So use your finger, be gentle, and make sure your scalp is clean. I said this can serve as a core wash. And if your hair is dirty, then I'm going to leave you a shampoo video up on the cards on the screen, so tap and I'll see you on the video on the screen. Until next time, bye bye.